In the rush toward bigger, faster, and louder rounds, some of the most precise cartridges on the market are being completely ignored. In this video, we shine a light on 5 incredibly accurate cartridges that almost no one is talking about. Rounds that offer exceptional consistency, mild recoil, and razor-sharp precision. Whether you're a hunter, a long-range shooter, or someone who just loves tight groups, these overlooked performers deserve a spot in your lineup. Don't miss out on the cartridges that could quietly transform your shooting game. Number 5. 6mm PPC is a renowned small-caliber rifle cartridge celebrated for its outstanding accuracy, especially in bench rest shooting competitions. Developed in the 1970s by Lou Palmisano and Ferris Pindle, this cartridge is based on the 220 Russian case and is widely regarded as one of the most inherently accurate cartridges ever created. Its design features a short, fat case with minimal body taper and a sharp shoulder angle, which contribute to excellent case alignment and uniform powder burn factors critical for precision shooting. The 6mm PPC typically fires bullets in the 60 to 70 grain range, though heavier match-grade projectiles are also used by competitive shooters. Despite its niche appeal, the 6mm PPC remains a favorite among precision marksmen who prioritize consistency and tight groupings at 100 to 300 yards. Due to its specialized use and relatively low production volume, factory ammunition for the 6mm PPC can be difficult to find and expensive. Commercially loaded 6mm PPC ammo is priced at $2.50 to $4 per round when available. A box of 20 rounds might cost between $50 and $80, depending on the manufacturer and bullet configuration. Many serious shooters opt to hand-load 6mm PPC rounds to fine-tune their performance and control costs, as high-quality brass and bullets for reloading are more readily available than factory cartridges. Though expensive and specialized, the 6mm PPC continues to dominate in precision circles thanks to its legendary accuracy and match-winning pedigree. Number 4. 6.5284 Norma is a high-performance, long-range rifle cartridge favored by competitive shooters and long-range hunters alike. Originally developed by necking down the 284 Winchester to accept a 6.5mm bullet, the cartridge was later standardized by Norma of Sweden in the 1990s. The result is a highly efficient round that combines a relatively high ballistic coefficient with flat trajectory and impressive retained energy downrange. The 6.5284 Norma is capable of pushing 120 to 140 grain bullets at velocities between 2,900 and 3,100 feet per second, making it ideal for precision shooting at extended distances. Its exceptional performance has made it a go-to choice for disciplines such as F-class and 1,000-yard bench rest competitions, where consistency and long-range accuracy are critical. For hunting, it offers more than enough terminal performance for games such as deer, antelope, and even elk, provided ethical shot placement. However, this level of performance comes with a price. By factory-loaded 6.5284 Norma ammunition typically ranges from $300 to $500 per round, depending on the brand and bullet type. A box of 20 rounds from premium manufacturers like Norma, Hornady, or Berger may cost anywhere between $60 and $100. Hand loaders often choose to reload this cartridge to fine-tune accuracy and manage expenses, especially given the relatively limited availability of factory ammo. Despite its higher cost and increased barrel wear compared to some alternatives, the 6.5284 Norma remains a top-tier choice for shooters demanding precision, power, and range in a single package. Number 3. 240 Weatherby Magnum is a high-velocity, flat-shooting rifle cartridge designed by Roy Weatherby in 1968. It was created for hunters and shooters who needed a lightweight, small-caliber round capable of delivering impressive velocity and long-range accuracy. Among Weatherby's offerings, the 240 Magnum stands out as the fastest 6mm commercial cartridge, boasting muzzle velocities exceeding 3,800 feet per second with 55-grain bullets. This makes it ideal for varmint hunting and medium game, including deer and antelope. The cartridge maintains a flat trajectory, reducing the need for elevation adjustments at longer distances. Its performance is comparable to or even exceeds that of the 243 Winchester and the 6mm Remington, but with higher pressure and more advanced ballistics. The 240 Weatherby Magnum typically uses bullets ranging from 55 to 100 grains, offering flexibility depending on the shooter's needs. As for pricing, factory-loaded ammunition for the 240 Weatherby Magnum can be relatively expensive due to its specialized nature. On average, a box of 20 rounds costs between $60 to $90, depending on the bullet weight and manufacturer. Premium hunting loads can reach or exceed $100 per box, especially for high-performance or bonded projectiles. Reloading is a popular option among enthusiasts looking to save money and fine-tune their loads, although brass and components can still be pricey. Rifles chambered in .240 Weatherby Magnum are typically found in Weatherby's Mark V series, with prices for new models generally ranging from $1,300 to $2,000 or more, depending on the configuration and finishes. Despite its cost, the 240 Weatherby Magnum remains a favorite among precision shooters and hunters seeking unmatched velocity and flat-shooting performance. Number 2. 220 Swift. A legendary high-velocity cartridge introduced by Winchester in 1935 continues to captivate shooters with its blistering speeds and flat trajectories, making it a popular choice for varmint and small game hunting. However, this performance comes at a price, as .220 Swift ammunition typically commands a premium compared to more common .22 caliber offerings. Factory-loaded ammunition often ranges from $2.50 to $4 per round, with variations depending on the manufacturer, such as Hornady, Remington, Winchester, and Norma, bullet type, VMAX, PSP, JHP, and grain weight. Premium a la carte options with specialized bullets can push the price even higher. For those looking to mitigate costs, reloading presents a viable alternative. While the initial investment in reloading dies, around $50 or $150, is necessary, the per-round cost can be significantly reduced. New unprimed 220 Swift brass generally costs between $0.80 and $1.30 per case. Bullets in the 224 diameter, suitable for the Swift, can range from $0.20 to $0.70 each, depending on construction and brand. Powder suitable for the 220 Swift, like IMR 4064 or H4350, will add approximately $0.30 to $0.50 per round, while large rifle primers typically cost around $0.10 to $0.15 each. Consequently, handloaders can potentially assemble .220 Swift rounds for $1.40 to $2.65 per round, offering substantial savings over factory ammunition and making this high-performance caliber more accessible to dedicated shooters. While not as readily available as some mainstream cartridges, 220 Swift components can generally be found through major online retailers and at well-stocked gun stores, ensuring its continued, albeit somewhat exclusive, presence in the shooting world. Number 1. 7mm STW stands as a powerful testament to the quest for ultimate speed and flat trajectory in the world of rifle cartridges. Conceived by Shooting Times field editor Lane Simpson in 1979 and officially recognized by SAMI in 1996, this potent long-action Magnum was ingeniously born from the full-length 8mm Remington Magnum case, skillfully necked down to harness the ballistic advantages of sleek, high BC 7mm bullets. Its design objective was unambiguous: to deliver breathtaking velocities and significantly extend the ethical and effective range for dedicated North American big-game hunters. The STW achieves impressive muzzle velocities, frequently launching 160-grain projectiles well past 3,200 fritos and pushing lighter 140-grain bullets towards an astonishing 3,400 fritos. This translates into an incredibly flat-shooting path, drastically minimizing bullet drop and the need for complex holdover calculations at extreme distances, solidifying its reputation as a formidable choice for wide-open country hunting of elk, mule deer, and mountain sheep. While its mainstream popularity has somewhat yielded to newer, often more efficient 7mm Magnum offerings, and major manufacturers have scaled back production, the 7mm STW retains a fiercely dedicated following. Handloaders and long-range aficionados, in particular, continue to cherish its raw, unadulterated power and significant downrange energy delivery. This blistering performance, however, demands consideration. It generates notable recoil and can contribute to accelerated throat erosion. Furthermore, acquiring ammunition reflects its specialist status, with premium factory hunting loads often carrying a price tag around $95 per box of 20 rounds. Its legacy persists as a benchmark in high-velocity, long-range performance. That was the underused cartridge that could completely change the way you think about accuracy in the field. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more surprising gear and caliber recommendations, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for tuning in, choose wisely, shoot responsibly, and I'll catch you in the next video.